back again with another video. Today we're doing something a bit different. I am going to rebuild a team in 2000. Let's see, I'm gonna go for the Seattle Sixers. Easy because, well, this is my first time doing it. Alright, let's do this. And by the way, if I'm a good team. Oh, okay. We have Paul Pierce. He's gonna be a building block. But Bibby, he has a high potential. I'll trade him with a 2022 first round pick. Kerry Kittles, be a nice guy to have. Alright, we could go for that. By the way, I'm trying to go balls to the walls. Alright. Kerry Kittles. Straight up. Thank you. Alright. I know that's not really going to be a huge trade, but it's a pretty good trade. We got Kerry Kittles now, so. Alright, so now, who should we trade? Paul Pierce has a bunch of trade for, I think, Daryl Armstrong and 2 first round picks. These are some huge trades. You know what? Nah, bro. I'm building my own trade. What do we need? I think Tim Duncan. We need Tim Duncan. I'll trade Daryl Armstrong. No way. Okay, yeah. A first round pick. 2 first round picks. I'll give you 3 first round picks. Let's go! We got Tim Duncan on the team! Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? They actually allowed that trade to happen? What the frick? And that made it worse. Tim Duncan, Paul Pierce, Kerry. Okay, I want a big 3. I'm getting my big 3. Who we trading, guys? Shaq? No, I'll trade for Vince Carter. I'll trade you Kerry Kittles. Let me steal work. Come on. Okay, I'm not trading my whole team for freaking Vince Carter. I mean, Shaq. When Shaq and, sure, screw it. Okay, Shaq, I'll trade you Kerry Kittles. I'm gonna steal work. Oh, Shaq is untouchable. Oh my gosh, man. Kobe and Tim Duncan. Jeez, how much do I have to give up? Okay. Kerry Kittles for Kobe. I need to give up $9 million. But that's gonna be tough. Yeah, I can't make up $9 million. Gosh darn it. Kobe's not on the team. Jason Kidd? Okay. But Kerry Kittle's a bigger overall. Jeez. Okay, I'll give you Kerry Kittles. No, Rick Fox. I'll give you Kerry Kittles. You can give me a first round pick. Jason Kidd. Kerry Kittles. Okay, straight up. Okay. Rick Fox. And I'll give you a second. 2 seconds? 3 seconds? 4 seconds. I'm giving up all my picks. 5 second round picks. Man, are you kidding me? Alright. Who should we get? Stepan Marbury? Don't believe in him. He might not be as good. Alright. T-Mac, yes. And he's only making $1 million. Ooh, that means I gotta get 7. Rob Strickland. What, they want to set that trade, you know? I guess it's not a very good trade. What if I give you Rick Fox? 2 seconds. 3 seconds. 4 second round picks. 5 second round picks. I'll give you all of these picks. All the picks. All of the picks. Come on. Okay. I want to trade Kerry Kittles. Kerry Kittles. With 3 second round picks. What can I get? No, I already traded Daryl Longstrong. Bob Sura. If this was 2K, I would be trading for him immediately because his card is so good. I guess Jamal Mashburn, Sean Bradley, that would be an easy trade. I'll do that. And power rankings, we are 5th. Alright, I think this team is freaking amazing. Okay, not amazing, but it's really freaking good. Tim Duncan, Jamal Mashburn, Paul Pierce, Sean Bradley, and Eric Paxakusi off the bench, Rick Fox. We need a better bench, for sure. So I'll trade somebody with a high potential. Somebody off Randy Livingston. Let's see who can we get. Ryan Bolin, no. Tim Young, Drew Barry. I don't like any of these trades. Earl Blinken would be really fun to have off our bench. There's a scoring threat off our bench. Alright, you know what? Okay. We got Tim, but okay, this team's really freaking good. Come on, I'll trade you Randy Livingston in a 2003 second round pick. Charlie Ward, that'd be a good guy to have. You know what? Reggie Miller? Oh my gosh. Okay, I would have to give up one of my big guys. You know what? I'll give out Jamal Washburn and Sean Bradley for Reggie Miller in a first round pick. 2 seconds. Okay. Clear the trade. Alright, we're simulating to the playoff. I think this is a good enough team. Come on, team. Paul Pierce is leading us with like 17 points. No, Tim Duncan's got injured. Oh, shoot. Okay, Oba XC returned from his injury. Oh my gosh. Come on, I really need a win. In this championship. And by the way, if I don't win this year, I think the video is going to be over. I'll do one more year if I don't win this year, okay? How about that? Is that fair? Why are we losing so many games now? What the frick? Alright. 50 and 32. Alright. No, not through the playoffs. Stop. We are in the semifinals. No! Come on! Are you kidding me? No, we lost. Tim Duncan made it. Okay. Alright, one more year. One more year and we are going to win. Oh my gosh. Excellent. Yeah, I know, we were so close to winning. Well, I was gonna simulate till my pick. But whatever, alright. You know what? Yes, we are signing Tim Duncan. Everybody else, it doesn't really matter, but we're going with the same team. That's right, same team. And let's go into free agency. Who the frick am I supposed to sign? Is he who's the highest overall? Jeff Hordick? Sure. Nope, I can't sign him. Get Matt Bullards on the team. Okay, he'll be a good guy off our bench. So I'll go to roster. Sorry, Sean. Hold on. Overall. Sorry, Sean Mars. You're getting released, and I'm signing Jeff Hordenek. Oh, sorry. We're signing John Newman instead. Till preseason, come on. I don't need to sign anybody else, I'm good. Barkley would have been amazing to have. Barkley would have been amazing. Can I have Barkley? Oh man, I wanted to give him a ring, okay. Where are we at? Oh, at first. Okay, well, let's... Alright, come on. Tim Duncan. Jeez Louise, Tim Duncan. Oh my gosh. You're going crazy, man. Tim Duncan's going crazy. What the frick? Why are we going on a huge losing streak now? Come on, team. Pick it up. 6 assists. Nice job, Jamal Mashburn. I feel like this team would have won a lot of championships. Oh shoot, we're doing way better than last season. We were 54-28. Like, bro, this is our starting lineup. Alright, come on. Are you kidding me? Are you... What? What? Are you kidding me? We lost. Oh my gosh. We failed. We failed. Oh my gosh. Come on. We were so good. Well, that's the end of the video. If you want me to rebuild another team, please let me know in the comment section below. But look at this team, man. We cannot rebuild that. Tim Duncan, Paul Pierce, Sean Riley, Jamal Mashburn, Eric Paxakusi. I can do rebuilds. This is all things possible. Saying so long and see ya later. Bye.